Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to simplify this beautiful Math Olympiad problem without using calculator. 2 raised to the power of 18 minus 1. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's begin. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to the power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of mn. Then this 2 raised to the power of 18 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 9 square, then minus 1. This is equal to 2 raised to the power of 9 to the power of 2 minus this 1 is the same thing as 1 square. Then take note of this, that if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b, because this is in the form of perfect square, where a is equal to 2 raised to the power of 9 and b is equal to 1. Then the whole of this can be written as 2 raised to the power of 9 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 9 minus 1. But 2 raised to the power of 9 is equal to 512. This is equal to 512 plus 1 bracket 512 minus 1 equal to 512 plus 1. We have 513 multiplied by 512 minus 1. This is 511. Now, by using FOIL method, 513 can be written as 500 plus 13 bracket 511 can be written as 500 plus 11. If you use FOIL method, we have 500 multiplied by this 500, then bracket and close. We have plus 500 bracket 13 plus 11, then plus 13 multiplied by 11. This is equal to 500 times 500. Then we have 250,000 plus 500 bracket 13 plus 11, that is 24, plus 13 multiplied by 11, that is 143. This is equal to 250,000 plus 500 multiplied by 24, that is 12,000 plus 143. Now let us add this together to get our final answer. This is 250,000 and here is 12,000 and this is 143. Here is 3, 4, 1. This is 2, 6, and then 2. Therefore, 2 raised to the power 18 minus 1 is equal to 262,143. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.